Hi, this is Michael from Ethereum. MetaMask is a software that allows you to replicate your Material wallet on your computer by importing the seed phrase. From there, you can make transfers to whatever you want. Before moving forward, make sure to read our manual to learn the best security practices when you manage crypto. In this tutorial, we use MetaMask as an example. Install the MetaMask browser extension from scratch. Disconnect your device from the internet, and then import your wallet using the seed phrase from the back of your Material wallet. Confirm and create a strong password. Connect back to the internet when MetaMask tries to connect to the Ethereum network. Click on Send and copy and paste the receiver's address or scan the QR code. Now you can send your Ether. That would be it. Make sure the transfer was done by checking the balance of your wallet.